Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Stories TV Documentary Number 1. I am Venant. If you want to be part of the channel community, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and hit the bell after subscription for more videos reach once uploaded. Please stay connected to our beloved channel Stories TV Documentary Number 1. This is Stories TV Documentary number 1, 12 Weirdest Australian Animals and Their Survival Tricks. Number 12, Platypus. You've probably heard about the platypus, but have you seen one? What's the first word that pops into your head when you see this animal? Bizarre, strange, odd, unusual. Let's go with all of the above. The platypus is a small, semi-aquatic mammal that can be found in eastern Australia. They get their name from the Greek word platus, meaning flat, referring to their broad, flattened bill. Their skin is covered in rubbery, warty bumps, and they have webbed feet with a duck-like bill and a beaver-like tail. To make things even more confusing, platypuses are venomous. Males have a groove on their ankles that secretes a venom that can immobilize their prey. Only a few milliliters, but enough to cause excruciating pain and swelling. Number 11, Thorny devil. This spiky desert lizard has a secret weapon against Australia's harsh climate, its skin. When the morning dew falls, tiny grooves channel the water to its mouth. No need for tongues or waiting for juicy bugs. This lizard stays hydrated. Thorny devils live in the dry and hot parts of Australia. They're not picky eaters, and they can eat anything from insects to small snakes. Not only does this lizard have a unique way of drinking water, but it also has a unique way of getting rid of waste. They poop in their armpits. Yep, that's right. And they do this to keep their hind legs clean. Why? Because they use their hind legs to hop around. No 10, Cassowary. Now let's talk about one of the most dangerous birds in the world, the cassowary. These large, flightless birds can be found in the tropical rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea. With their bare necks and blue heads, they look like colourful turkeys. Don't be fooled by their looks. These birds are killers. Cassowaries have dagger-like claws on their toes, which they use to slash and stab their prey. Their kick can be fatal to humans. Even though they can't fly, they are fast on the ground, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Number 9, Quokka. If you've never heard of the quokka before, prepare to fall in love with these adorable little marsupials. Found on Rottnest Island, these furry creatures look like small teddy bears with big black eyes and a perpetual smile. They're known as the happiest animal in the world, but what's their secret? Quokkas can store fat in their tails and survive for months without food. Talk about a happy tale. Number 8, Tasmanian devil. Ever heard of the Tasmanian devil? This little guy is one of the toughest creatures in Australia. Despite their cute appearance, these carnivorous marsupials are fierce predators. They have a voracious appetite and will eat almost anything they come across. They're known for their loud screams, which they use to communicate and attract mates. But it's their bite that really makes them stand out. The Tasmanian devil has the strongest bite force per body weight of any mammal on the planet. That's right, they can crush bones like they're made of cheese. Number 7, Echidna. Here's another one of Australia's most peculiar residents, the echidna. These shy creatures are about the size of a small dog and have a long, sticky tongue that they use to slurp up ants and termites. They're also known for their egg-laying abilities, which makes them one of only 2 egg-laying mammals in the world. That's right. Echidnas lay eggs. They're also great diggers and can use their strong claws to create burrows where they can raise their young. Number 6, Frilled-neck lizard. If you thought the thorny devil was scary, wait until you see the frill-necked lizard. These lizards are known for their dramatic frills, which they spread out when they feel threatened. When they feel threatened, the lizard expands its frill and hisses like a tiny dinosaur. This lizard isn't just good at scaring off predators, though. It's also got a taste for human attention. They often approach people in order to beg for food and have even been known to develop affection towards their caretakers. Number 5, Wombat. The wombat is a furry little creature that looks like a mix between a bear and a pig. They're herbivores and spend their days munching on grass and bark, but the wombat is best known for its unusual poop. Yeah, we know it's gross, but stick with us. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. That's right. Their digestive system creates perfectly cubic stools. Scientists think this is because of the unique shape of their intestines. Number 4, flying fox. Imagine this. You're relaxing in your backyard when suddenly you see a huge bat swooping down towards you. No, it's not a nightmare, it's just a flying fox. These giant fruit bats can have a wingspan of over a meter and weigh up to 3 pounds. They may look terrifying, but flying foxes are actually gentle creatures who only eat fruit. They play an important role in the ecosystem as pollinators. They transfer pollen from flower to flower while they're feeding on nectar, which helps plants reproduce. Number 3, sugar glider. This little marsupial looks like a cross between a squirrel and a sugar scoop. They're about the size of a mouse and have a bushy tail and large eyes. Sugar gliders are nocturnal and spend their days sleeping with their mum. Once they're old enough, they start venturing out at night in search of food. They leap from tree to tree with the help of a membrane that stretches between their limbs. This allows them to glide up to 150 feet through the air. Number 2, giant huntsman spider. If you're afraid of spiders, then don't click this video. Just kidding. But if you are afraid of spiders, then maybe don't click this video. Huntsman spiders are one of the largest spider species in the world. They can grow up to 12 inches in length and are known for their ability to run across walls and ceilings at high speed. They're also excellent hunters and can catch their prey before it even realizes what's happening. And finally, number 1, kangaroo. There's no way we could talk about Australian animals without mentioning the kangaroo. These iconic creatures are known for their powerful legs and their ability to hop around at high speeds. Kangaroos are also very social animals and live in groups called mobs. The dominant male kangaroos will breed with the females in the mob, but they aren't exactly faithful. They will often challenge other males to fight in order to establish dominance. Kangaroos also have a special talent for boxing. They use their tails as a third leg to help them balance while they throw punches with their massive paws. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this wild ride through Australia's weirdest animal kingdom. Which of these amazing creatures left you in awe? Did any of these survival tricks leave you scratching your head in disbelief? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you're still with us, why not show us some love by hitting that subscribe button? Your support means the world to us. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with Stories TV Documentary Number 1. Subscribe, like, share, comment to stay with us.